All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some bacon. Here we've got some ground pork. You're going to need some butter. Your favorite sauce. You're going to need a good roll, get some cheese. This is shredded onion. Get them really fine shredded. You got some smoked paprika. We've got some sea salt. You're going to need some fresh cracked black pepper. And let's put this together. All right, we're going to oil up a cast iron pan. And we're going to take those shredded onions and give them a fry, just a bit. Bring out a lot more flavor. Now, this is a key way to do those onions. Shred them up fine. You make a fine burger. All right, going to add some sea salt. Oh, this smells good. And, of course, we're going to add some bacon. And you want to take some pork belly bacon, chop it up real fine. Yeah. Here we've got some smoked paprika. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of sauce. Use your favorite sauce, right? Now, we're going to give it a good mix with some butter. After all, this is a peppered pork bacon butter burger. Oh, this is going to be good. Okay. Now, you've seen us make burgers before, right? Make these patties, easy enough. But if you're a newbie, we're going to do it again. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding? Now, going to take that fresh ground black pepper and apply it to the top of the burger. We're going to create that layer of flavor, right? You know all about that if you've been watching us over the years, right? Simple enough. Oh, baby. This looks good enough to eat already. Oh. You gotta be kidding. Now, we're gonna place it on the grill. Pretty much opposite the hot coals. This way we can control the heat. Of course, you know all about indirect grilling now, right? Don't get any better than this. Now, the idea here is pretty much cook it from underneath before you flip it, all right? We want to preserve much of that black pepper as is. Just sear in the bottom over direct flames. Flip it just for a few minutes. That'll help set up that black pepper. Oh, man. All you need now is a cold one. Or two. Oh, Martha. We miss you, girl. Oh. All right. We're just about ready to serve it. Those burgers are done. We'll just put some cheddar cheese on, or your favorite cheese. Toast it up the buns. Add what condiment you want. Just a little bit of mayo. You do what you want, right? It's called Pitmaster privilege. Whoa. I got that blues with you, baby. Shoot. And dress it up just the way you like it. We're going to take those shredded grilled onions or pan-fried onions, place it on the top, and Lord have mercy. So to get the exact ingredients, head on over to our website. And no way this pitmaster is going to apologize for eating in front of you like this. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.